sweep the leaves off the ground with a broom?
Oh. Piglet likes the leaves that are leaving, but not the leaves that are
Coming.
no.
Okay.
It's nice to see you again, Piglet. It's been a
My
while.
grandma's favorite?
Oh yeah, Tommy's grandma.
So nice to meet Grandma. It's fun.
Yeah, Grandma said to say hi to you. Tommy's grandma, you're her favorite because you helped her drink from a straw. And you're cute too.
Well, of course. Pretty and pink.
Yeah, what happened to your scar?
Good scar.
Oh, did it blow away on the blustery day? It happens. Oh, well. Thanks.
Thanks.
I'm done with See you later, Piglet.
Bye, Piglet. Goodbye, Piglet.
Very nice.
Merry Christmas, Piglet.
Aw, it's nice of you to come back.
Well, I guess you can stay long.
I think Piglet likes the camera. Do you like the camera? You're a poser. Tommy likes the camera too. You know what we did? Tommy got a drawing done of himself. We're gonna go pick it up after. The artist drew his body as the first fastest runner in the world. That's what he asked him to draw. Because Tommy's a runner. He's a runner. Bye, Piglet.
Bye, Piglet.
Bye.